External axis calibration method. Log into the Teach pendant as an administrator. Follow the video path to find external axis calibration. Select two axes for calibration. Then you can start writing the calibration program for the external axis. First, turn on Enable. Shown here is Robot 1. This button is a toggle key. Click to switch to external axis. Click again to control the robot. First, move the robot out. Switch to Robot 1. Select the coordinate system and add some speed. Switch to external axis. Then manually hold the button and move the external axis to the 0 point. Here is a scale mark here and you can accurately find the position of the 0 point. A point must be set for calibration any point. I fixed it with copper wire to fix this point. You can pin any position like this. Switch to controlling the robot using the Teach pendant. Use the Teach pendant to move the robot welding gun and align it with the pointer. Click on the Teach pendant screen to calibrate the P3 point. Point P3 is the initial starting point of 0 point. P2 is rotated 25 degrees in the positive direction. P1 is rotated 50 degrees in the positive direction. After setting this point, raise the robot using the Teach pendant. Switch control of external axis. Rotate the outer axis to about 25 degrees. Then switch to controlling the robot. Aim the robot's welding gun at the pointer. Set this point to point P2. Then use the teaching pendant to switch and control the robot to move upward. Continue to invert the outer axis and rotate it to about 50 degrees. Controlling the robot welding gun to align with the pointer. Set this point as point P1. Clicking Calculate will show that the calculation is successful. Click the Back button. Need to create a new program. The program can insert from straight line to straight line. Before that, the robot needs to be moved away from the position just now. Then position the robot above the external axis and determine a point arbitrarily. Now you can insert a straight line command. Click here to decide whether to collaborate. Set a speed. Use the Teach pendant to raise the robot. Switch control of the external axis and let the external axis rotate. Switch to robot and move the robot closer to the external axis. Determine the second point. Insert a command same as the previous command. Set the speed. You can now verify that the collaboration is correct. Then switch the robot to automatic mode. This button is a repeat motion button. After confirming that everything is correct, the external axis coordination is completed.